Elaine here with WTI. Blank Slate is where crazy, fun, loony brains think alike.
In our recent game night, lots of foodies were there, so olive oil was a winner. Tuna fish, only 2 people thought alike. And Happy Feet was our favorite movie. Our minds went kind of crazy with the word body. We have a lot of different answers. And then we have the final slate of the night was blank chip, and computer chip won with 2 people thinking alike. I love this scoreboard. It matches so awesome with your slates. You have plenty of markers, and there are 2 sides. So there's so much variety in this game. It's great to pack up and take with you everywhere.
So if you're looking for a fun way to spend your weekend or your vacation, bring Blank Slate with you. You will love it and have so much fun. And that's just my point of view.